Today is a photo shoot for my new commercial office space off of Bartow Road. That's 98 South, Lakeland, 33801. So I am seeing this commercial office space for the first time. So I want you to see it and with me. I want you to see it with me. Okay, so first you walk in, you got this little porch here. You could have chairs if you wanted to. Okay, you walk in and oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. New flooring, new paint. Oh my gosh. I love this. You know what this would be perfect for? Oh my gosh, this would be perfect for SERHANT. Can you imagine? That would be crazy, having this for SERHANT, for the Willers Homes team. So they have these plexiglass things. It's an insurance company, so they do all this. They do home insurance, commercial, auto, health. And here's okay, so this is like a waiting room, let's say. But look how many desks. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 desks. And obviously what I would do is have a conference table here for any insurance company or real estate company. I would just keep this couch. Oh my gosh, the couch is perfect. And then, and I have, oh my gosh, I have the best conference table with blue chairs. All I have to do is paint that wall to the SERHANT color. But I'm diversing because this property is unbelievable. So this is a great office space for insurance company, the way they have it. And also check out the kitchen. Oh my gosh, how cute is this kitchen? Man, this is so cute. And I know this kitchen is all new. They've only had this for a couple of years now. New refrigerator. You got this eat-in space here. And then over here you have not the full, but a bathroom. So new toilet, new sink. Okay, and then back here, there's the manager office. This is where the employees get in trouble and they have to go in here. No, just kidding. So this is another office space here. Wow, look at this. Now this could be a conference room if somebody wanted more privacy, because I'm trying to think what else. This could be like a little fitness center, because no one really has a manager's office anymore, or maybe they do, I have no clue. But look at the floor, how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. So comment office space if you want more information. This goes live tomorrow, guys.